Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unprotect a Google Sheets. So if you set a protection for a cells or range of cells in the Google Sheets, and if you want to remove that protection, this is what you are going to do. For example, in here, in the past, I set protection for this cells right here. So if you want to remove it, you can now just click on the data at the top and go to this protect sheets and ranges. And as you guys can see here, this is the list that sheet, the protected sheets on my document in here. So if you want to delete it, you can just click on this protections, and there will be this trash icon. You can delete range or sheet protection by clicking on that. Are you sure you want to remove this protected range? So if you are confirmed, you can just tap on remove, click on OK, and just like that, the protected sheets and ranges has been deleted. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button.